Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making miso brown butter clams and bucatini. So we have some white miso, scallions, parmesan cheese, butter, bucatini, some frozen clams, I like these because they're already cleaned, and some plum syrup. I'm using everything that I have already in my house. We're going to separate the whites and the greens of the scallions and give these a little choppity chop. I'm determined to not chop until I use everything I have already on hand. Over on the stove, we're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter and salt our pasta water. We want to brown our butter, so we want to just cook this until little brown bits form and all that milk fat goes away. You want to cook your pasta about 1.5 minutes less than the instructions say, because we're going to finish it in our brown butter. After your butter is browned, add a tablespoon of white miso. It's a little bit more mild than red miso, and stir that around. You can add 2 tablespoons of your pasta water if you feel like your pan's getting a little dry. Add in the scallion whites, toss that around, 1 more tablespoon of pasta water, then toss in our pasta, and 1/2 pound of our frozen clams. We're going to cook this till all the clams are open, which shouldn't take too long. Discard any that don't open. Add in our plum sauce, off heat, a teaspoon of plum syrup. Garnish with our scallion greens, parmesan cheese, and lots of freshly cracked black pepper. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. This was a really fast little recipe to make. The bucatini is cooked perfectly al dente. It's caught all that sauce inside. That's why I like bucatini. The clams are tender. There's a little salinity from that. There's a nuttiness from the brown butter and the miso. The plum syrup counteracts the saltiness of the miso, and this is absolutely delicious. But there it is, miso brown butter clams and bucatini. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much once again for spending time with me today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.